Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Devine and today I'm going to be showing you how to use a bun maker. You're also going to need some bobby pins and a hair tie. Now I'm going to show two different methods. The first one's probably going to be a little bit better for shorter hair, as you'll be able to see there's going to be a lot of extra hair wrapped around. So to get started for either one, we are going to start out by tying our hair in a ponytail wherever on the head we're wanting the bun. And then we're going to take our bun maker and we are going to wrap it around ponytail and pull it through just like we would as if it was a hair tie. Now for the first method, we're going to pull it all the way through and then wrap it around the bun maker. I find the easiest way to do this is if you pull the hair straight up and gently spread it out. This way gravity is kind of on your side. This part can be a little tricky and it might take a couple attempts the first time you do it. But essentially we're just trying to spread that hair around the bun maker as evenly as possible, and then you're going to wrap a hair tie around it. And generally I do recommend using thinner hair ties. In this case I use the rubber bands, because if you use bulkier hair ties you're going to end up seeing it and it's going to make the bun maker sit a little funny. And as I mentioned, this technique is a little bit better for shorter hair, so if your hair is about my length or longer, the second method is probably going to work a little bit better, but I wanted to at least walk through this one. So once we get that hair tie secure, we are going to take the hair and we are going to wrap it around the edges, and essentially we're just going to keep wrapping and then take some bobby pins and pin it in. And as you can see, with all this extra hair I have, I'm having a bit of trouble, but I still wanted to walk through this technique. And you're just going to secure those bobby pins, and when you slide them in, you're going to slide them in underneath the bun maker. If you slide them into the bun maker, that's just going to get pushed right out. And there is the first method. Now for the second method that's going to work a little bit better on longer hair, you're going to start off pulling the hair through the bun maker, but then you're just going to wrap it all the way around and pull it through a second time. This way the hair is wrapped around the bun maker twice, or if your hair is even longer, you can keep doing this as many times as your hair allows. And they make different size bun makers as well, depending on the style you're looking for, as well as the length of your hair. So once you get that all pulled through, you're going to kind of spread it out like you did in the first method, only in this case it's already wrapped around. So it can be a little bit easier. You just need to make sure that it's even. And it might take a couple minutes, like I said, for especially the first time. Anytime you're trying a new style the first time, it's going to take you a little bit longer to get, so please be patient with yourself. And then once we get that all spread out and wrapped around even, we're going to put another hair tie on it to hold those ends down, and then we will take a couple bobby pins for any little stragglers and pin those down as well. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave any questions in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more upcoming videos.